In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status colors in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity and project management tool designed to help teams stay organized and efficient. One of its many customizable features is the ability to change the colors of task statuses, which can make your workspace more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Whether you're looking to match your team's branding, improve color coding, or simply add a personal touch, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your status colors in just a few minutes. First, start by navigating to your ClickUp dashboard. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select the Settings option to access your account's customization and workspace settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the sidebar or menu options on the screen. Here, you'll find a section labeled Spaces. Click on this and it will bring up a list of all the spaces you've created or have access to within your workspace. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially the different areas where you organize your projects, so it's important to select the one where you want to make these changes. After selecting your desired space, you'll see several options related to its setup and customization. Look for the Status option and click on it. This will display all the statuses currently available in that space. For example, you might see statuses like To Do, In Progress, or Completed, depending on how your workflow is set up. Next, identify the specific status you want to update. Click directly on the name of that status, and a color picker will appear. This handy tool allows you to choose from a wide range of colors to best suit your needs. Simply click on the new color you'd like to use. As soon as you make your selection, your changes will be saved automatically, so there's no need to worry about hitting a save button. And that's it. You've successfully updated the color for your status in ClickUp. This small customization can go a long way in making your workspace more intuitive and tailored to your preferences. If you're new to ClickUp, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started and explore all the amazing features this platform has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.